Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern logo. And I also show you some tricks that is very helpful to everyone. If you watch this video till end, I think you learned something from this tutorials. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. Okay, first take polygon tool. Now click left button of mouse, take sides 3. Okay, that's good. Rotate it. Take rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle like that. Now carve the rectangle like that. Make smaller the rectangle equal to triangle. Now select the rectangle, and copy it. Now select transform, and rotated the rectangle equal to triangle another line. Place the rectangle perfectly. Again copy the shape. Again go to transform and rotated this like before. Okay, that's good. Now carve the triangle like that. And place the shape hits before place. For place these shape perfectly, make outline by press Ctrl Y. Now make equal. Okay, that's fine. Now take ellipse tool, and draw circle in middle. Okay, that's good. Now select all objects, and take shape builder, and draw like that. Now move it from this lines. Give it gradient color. Wow, that's look good. Now we make it more beautiful. So take a rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle. Carve the rectangle like that. Make the rectangle stroke color. Now place the rectangle in middle of this shape. Okay, that's good. Now select this, and take Shape Builder tool, and just click here. Okay, now select the shape and go to Transform, and rotate it like that. Place this shape in middle of this under shape. Now select both, and take Shape Builder tool, and click here. Again do this for another shape. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we use gradient color on this logo. Use this gradient properly. Okay, that's look good. Now we make shadow part on this logo. So for this, take Ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Place the circle over here perfectly. Now select this, and take Shape Builder tool, and just click Shadow Parts. That's good. Now copy the shadow parts by hold Alt. Now select the shape, and take Shape Builder tool, and join like before. Make the shape part united. Change the shadow color into black, and decrease the opacity of this shadow part. Now perfectly place the shadow over the logo. Okay, that's good. Now we add another shape. For that, take pen tool, and draw like that. Join the shape with this shape. Now we make 3 circles in the space of triangle. Okay, that's good. So this is our today's logo. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.